Hey everyone, guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually switch your Uber Eats delivery method, guys, from a car to a bicycle, guys. Whether you want to save gas, make deliveries easier in busy areas, or you just want some exercise while you work. Actually, switching to a bicycle is a quick process. I'm gonna walk you through this step by step. First, you want to do, guys, is open up the Uber Eats app on your phone. Okay, the Uber driver app on your phone. Open that up, and if you're not seeing the app or unfamiliar with it, guys, if you're unfamiliar with this app, this is the same app you use to sign in and complete the Uber Eats deliveries. So what you want to do, guys, first is go to the account settings. And once you're in the app, you want to just tap on your profile or the account icon in the top left corner. And this will actually take you to your account settings, guys. Okay. Then you want to select the vehicles. Okay. Select vehicles. So in your account settings, you'll actually need to look for an option that is called vehicles, or it will be called manage vehicles. So this is where Uber Eats lists all the vehicles or the methods you can use for deliveries. So what you want to do is you want to click on add new vehicle. So to change your delivery method, you'll need to actually add a new vehicle option first. Just look for the option that says add vehicle or add delivery method, and just select this, and then from the list of options just choose bicycle. Okay. And then, Uber Eats may actually require some additional documents, even for a bicycle. This can include something like a valid photo ID, as Uber still needs to verify your identity. And if you see a prompt for documents, guys, just follow the steps to upload them right in the app. So you need to actually upload the required documents. Then, guys, you need to actually wait for the approval. So after you submit your bicycle as a delivery option, Uber Eats typically reviews your request. Every time you do this, add a new delivery method, Uber Eats will always review your request first. This will actually take, sometimes usually takes a few hours, or it can take a couple of days. So be sure to check back in the app for the confirmation. And once it is confirmed, guys, okay, once your bicycle is approved, you want to go back to the vehicle section and set your bicycle as the primary delivery method. So in that way, you can start your next delivery. When you start your next delivery, Uber knows that you are on a bike instead of a car, guys. And that's it, guys. You're now all set to deliver on your bicycle with Uber Eats. This switch can really help, in congested cities, areas where it's tough to find parking. Plus, guys, it's eco-friendly, and it might even save you some money on gas, right? So if this video is helpful, guys, don't forget